Okay, so what you gonna do is you gonna section your hair in the best mohawk you can get. Okay, let me show you. So I got a section here, got a section here, and then I got the hawk right here. Okay, that's what you gonna do first. Then this right here gonna be flat twist. But now you can do what you want now, girl. I don't want to flat twist my hair on wet hair. So I'm gonna do it on like down to kind of dry hair. So right now I'm just gonna moisturize this and then come back to it later on. Okay. Then you want to take the middle part, your mohawk. You want to also moisturize this. Okay, so after you put your leave-in in, then what you gonna do? You gonna set this part, set your mohawk in chunky twists. Chunky, okay? That's not how you gonna leave it, but it's gonna give you this textured look, okay? Just follow me. What you gonna do, girl, now? And guys, that's what you gonna do. Trust me on this. Two pumps. Probably don't need that much. I don't have that much of it. Who do I think I am? Who is she? In the next few clips, I'm trying my best to show you how I flat twist. I got a lot of comments over on Instagram about flat twisting, and y'all have requested flat twist. Again, I got to get me like a camera or a better setup. I'm still trying to figure out my setup, so work with me, be patient with me. But I tried to show y'all how I flat twist, and maybe it'll help you. Maybe it won't. I don't know. But I'll try to do another one. If this does not help you, I'll try to do another one once I get a camera and get my setup all proper. But you just, I don't know. It's like, I don't know why cornrowing is so easy. It's so much easier to learn first than sorry, it's my microwave. I don't know why cornrowing is so much easier to learn first than flat twist, because flat twists require less strands and cornrows require more strands. But for some reason, it's like your hands more easily form cornrows than they do flat twists. And somewhere out of the blue, you'll just magically learn how to flat twist. I really can't explain it. Like you'll be practicing flat twists and not be able to do them. And one day you just wake up and your hands will do it. It really truly happens like that, guys. So don't give up. Just do what you do, and one day your fingers will just do it. I promise they will. Okay, so I've unraveled all my twists here in the middle. You can braid it up or you can twist it up. So I originally recorded footage of me doing the back of my hair, but because of how my hands were positioned, you really couldn't see what I was doing. So I just left it out. This is just the top part, and this is essentially what I did in the back, only on a larger scale. But I'm just overlapping, crossing hair over like a little basket weave type of technique. Yeah, that's, I wish I had footage to show you better or clearer, but hey, when you're doing your own hair, man, it's hard. It's hard to try to record. I don't have the right mirror set up and all that good stuff, but this is what I ended up with. I pinned that little tail up under itself, and then I pinned the twist that I did coming forward and made like this little tribal type of situation. I like it. And then I just added some of those little jewelry clip things, those little silver filigree clips on both sides. I was gonna do beads on the ends of my twist on the side of my hair, but I was over it. This is the finished look though, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give it a thumbs down. Share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.